Yes, guys. So if you wasn't living under a rock, Donald Trump launched his own meme coin. But guys, you shouldn't buy it. I'm gonna tell you exactly the reasons why you shouldn't buy Donald Trump meme coin. Because if you do, you will lose your money. Not final advice, just my opinion. So let's dive straight in it, and then I will let you know why you shouldn't buy it. So Donald Trump launched his meme coin a few hours ago, right? So it actually got posted on his main Twitter account. If you have a look down here, my new official Trump meme token is here. It's time to celebrate what we stand for, winning. Join my very special Trump community. Get your Trump now. Guys, before we even get into it, this is obviously absolutely bullish for crypto. This is absolutely bullish for meme coins. This is just solidified what I've been preaching for all these years is that meme coins will take over the crypto industry. Many reasons why. One main reason is pure. All the tokens are out, all the supply is out. There's no lot for VCs to dump on us. We know where we stand. We know there's no utility. It's all about attention. And Trump has basically said, you're allowed to launch a meme coin. It's a free for all, as in, it's fine, it's okay to launch a meme coin. As long as you don't promise no intrinsic value. So, just want to also state that at the time of launch, I actually called this in my inner circle. So let me show you guys. If you see here, I actually called it at 7 million market cap in my online boss inner circle. And literally an hour later, 2x. And now we're at like a 4x. So let's check our wins channel. And you can take a look at everybody in our inner circle that win. Look at this. I would have missed the biggest play ever without this group. God bless. $8,000 to $24,000. This person, $6K to $55,000. Still holding. Got in at 2 mil. This guy, 6K to 14K. Thanks, boss. I went in when you posted with size and I made 13K. I was online just trenching like you taught us to do, and I caught the Trump coin. I'm so glad I didn't go out drinking. $43,000. Crazy. $43,000. Guys, meme coins are changing lives. So let's jump into the charts. But first of all, let me explain to you guys, how did I even find this coin? I found this coin and I called it into my inner circle, guys, because I'm always active. That's what I do. I literally stay there, me and my team, and we scan for new pairs. And the best tool that you can use to get in these coins is bullx. Bullx always helps me getting these coins absolutely fast. So if you haven't got bullx, you guys should download bullx. I will leave a code in the description. And Neo Bullets is very simple to use, guys. All you need to do is click onto the project and you literally can get in and out of projects fast. So many people they like to use Phantom wallets, but Phantom wallets is slow, guys. This is where you want to use to get in and out fast. I have a tutorial on my YouTube. Check it out. And if you want access to this software. Also, leave the link in the bio. So, this is the reason why I would not buy Trump coin, guys. And especially for you guys that are new to the market, you will think that you are early because what you guys look at, and this is the issue, you guys look at the price. You guys say, hey, getting in for $35. I'm getting in for $27. This can go to $100. You need to stop looking at the price. You need to start looking at market cap. So the market cap is a realistic measurement, okay? So right now we're at 5 billion, okay? Dogecoin is a meme coin and it's number one meme coin that's like 60, 70 billion. So this has a 10x. If you really think about it, I get it has a 10x if it gets a Dogecoin. But guys, Dogecoin was a phenomenon and it was an actual meme. Is Trump a meme? Kind of, because, he's funny. People do share photos, which is like a meme about Donald Trump. And this specific image here got shared around the internet and got viral because when Donald Trump got shot. So, yes, it has the viral effect. Yes, it's the president of the United States of America. But for this to get to 60 billion, he has to really push it. Remember, why did Doge get to 60 billion? Because Elon Musk pushed it, showed it, tweeted it. I don't feel that the United States of America president is going to be pushing a meme. Yes, he posted it. Yes, it's his meme. But we've got a long way to go to get to 60 billion. Now, here where the money was way down here. Okay. In fact, this is actually the wrong chart. So let me actually find the right chart because this isn't the right chart. Yeah, here you go. So you wish you got in at 6 billion. So, like I said, Dogecoin is at 60 billion market cap. Guys, we've only got a 2x to get to Doge. Why are you going to invest your hard-earned cash for 2x, for 3x, where people like my students and me and many people in the game are making 10x, 20x, 30x a day? So not financial advice. It isn't a good strategy. Buying a coin where it's already so high. 6 million is where I actually seen it. All right. If you look here, this is where people are going to start taking this, took some profits here, taking profits here, and taking profits here. If anything, guys, we are creating higher lows, higher highs, and now potentially we're coming down to a lows. Okay? Just gotta be careful, guys, because everybody now will be shilling you this coin because they've already got in at a low position. So instead of buying coins that already run up, if you miss them, if you're not in groups like mine, in the circles where people like me and my team scour for opportunities all day, then you want to find coins early. All right, guys, subscribe. Check the links in the description. If you guys want more help, I put a lot of information on here, and also there'll be links down below to help you further. Till next time, peace.